More and more truck brands have come up with their version of the door mirror replacement system, also called MirrorCams, which is a digital solution consisting of two large screens that can replace the large side mirror trucks the trucks drive with today. Some brands also the front mirror. But are they as good as the different manufacturers promise? And will all vehicles drive with this solution in the future? Let's take a look at it. The first truck brand to deliver MirrorCams was Mercedes-Benz Actros new model introduced in 2019, where the camera is divided into two screens. Later came DAF and MAN with their solution with 3 screens and even more useful features. Also, the American truck brand Kenworth has a solution where you have both regular mirrors and digital ones. Advantages of MirrorCams. First of all, MirrorCams lower the aerodynamics as there is a smaller wind resistance on them, which provide a fuel saving of up to 1.3%. The MirrorCam also provides a wider view than regular side mirrors. MAN's version of MirrorCams, called OptiView, can create 3 different camera views, ensuring an ideal visual setting for the driver at all times. Switching between the display views on the displays inside the vehicle is controlled automatically depending on the driving direction, driving speed, and steering angle, but can also be done manually using the door control module on the driver's and co-driver's side. The cameras can be folded manually, and if you should hit something, the mirror just bends and thus avoids braking. They are also equipped with heaters, and therefore cannot freeze in winter, and are in addition splashproof, so you always have a clear view in the camera. The screen shows marking lines which indicate how long your truck and trailer are, and you always have full control over whether the rear end of the truck is about to hit something. Probably the most important advantage of MirrorCams is their view both in front and on the side of the truck, which helps to provide the best possible view for the driver, and avoids the blind spots ordinary mirrors have. This helps you avoid injuries, and you'll be able to see cyclists and other road users. In addition to the 2 cameras on the side, some models offer a front camera, which can be seen in the center display, providing you with an even more detailed overview. When you set the truck in reverse, the camera switches to a different, wider view, so you can see a larger area, and you will be able to see the whole side of the truck as well, and thereby ensure that you do not hit anything. Here are the arrows that indicate how long the truck is in use again, and you are in no doubt about how far to go back without hitting anything when reversing with your trailer. Also, when you are lying in the bunk, you can turn on the camera and see what is going on out on the side of the truck, even when the curtains are drawn. What's the downside? It takes some time getting used to this type of mirror, and one can get a little confused at first, especially when the screens change from one mode to another. Electronic faults can occur on a truck, and it would be catastrophic not to be able to look out of mirrors if a fault should occur and the screen went out. In addition, these MirrorCams are optional and have a price that, as you as a haulier, must also decide whether you are willing to pay for. We believe that MirrorCams are here to stay and that more and more trucks will be available with them. However, we do not think that the ordinary mirrors should be completely removed, as they also have their place. The driver should be able to choose whether he wants a truck with or without MirrorCams. It is probably only a matter of time before every truck brand offers MirrorCams on all their models. What is your opinion about MirrorCams? Have you ever tried them, and what did you think about them? Share it with us down in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.